Hey guys, I'm about to teach you how to make one of the most Cuban things in the world, black beans. What's great about this recipe is, first of all, it's extremely easy, and it's healthy, and it's authentic Cuban, and last but not least, it's fully vegan, which is, I know that's really exciting for you guys. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to chop up onion, green pepper, and garlic, because that's like the sofrito. It's really, of course, you can use other bell peppers, but green bell peppers are what are traditionally used for Cuban black beans. They're also like the least sweet, and there's a bit of like sweet versus salty when it comes to Cuban beans. So first thing you're gonna do is saute these. Put some olive oil in a pan. Once the veggies are nice and translucent, you're going to start seasoning. So of course, some salt, pepper, oregano, cumin, and then you're gonna put in your can of black beans. Make sure you do not drain the can. You want all of the contents of the black beans. Last but not least, you're gonna put the littlest bit of vinegar and a little bit of sugar. It's really nice because it adds almost like a sweet and salty. I'm using brown sugar today because I feel like if I was in Cuba, they'd use brown sugar. And of course, the final step, a bay leaf. Then you're gonna let it simmer for, I don't know, let's say half hour.